Hello Mofus, I'm actually really nervous because today is a day that we're taking this cat that showed up on our doorstep, this little kitten here. Yeah. So we found him about 4 or 5 days ago and we've made himself a little place here, given him food, water, litter box, towels, all sorts of stuff. But here's the problem. I was traveling and I haven't worked out here. He is literally on my feet. So can you imagine this? Can you imagine this little guy and a 200 pounds worth of weight on a deadlift right there? £405 bar. It would just crush him. So I have to work out. I'm back and I'm worried because we want him to stick around the garage, and the only way to do that is to let him go in and out. So we're going to open up bay door number 1, bay door number 2, and hello Mark Bell. And I hope he sticks around. I hope he's found that the place that we've made him here is to his liking, and that he satellites the garage gym and becomes a permanent resident of this area. Because he's just so cute. I'm nervous. I don't know too much about cats, but this is apparently what you do, is you just leave them in a place for 4 or 5 days and then you see if they stick around. So, gosh, I'm so scared. Here goes nothing. You're free. You're free. Scared the crap out of him. Well, maybe he will stay away from me if I'm lifting weights. It's not the greatest place to hide, underneath a frickin' bar that's jacked up. Scared of doors. Just found that out. Scared of... World is your oyster as long as you stick around this garage gym, because I don't know how you're going to get food otherwise. So what you want to work out today? Huh? What you want to work out? You squat every day? Seems like the cat just wants to follow me, and he's coming to me. He's coming to me. He'll follow me right back to the garage. He has to. Just wants to be around me. So I think what that's gonna mean is if I'm outside, he'll be with me. If I go inside, I have to put him back in the garage. Otherwise, he'll lose his mind, probably trying to figure out where I'm at. So I guess that's my plan for a little while. Now the mug actually has a purpose. I don't want to work out today. I just want to play with this cat. You'll be productive with coffee. Looks like he's trying to stay close. He's just kind of testing his limits, I think. This is a lot of fun. Never had a cat or a kitten or anything like this. I've never done this before. This is cool. Hey, come here. He's back. Yeah. All this is yours, man. This could all be yours. Say anything about this. You want some smelling salts? No, this is stupid. I at least have that much sense. Do not use smelling salts on your pets or your grandparents. Have some ground rules there. I'm just kind of playing with this. I don't know. It seems to me like he's just trying to follow me. So I just went out in the woods a second ago, and he went out there and got trapped and just started meowing until I came back. Then he followed me back. So I'm just kind of tracing my footsteps here and seeing what he's doing. So I'm going to go this way gonna sit on my porch and watch him from over here. I don't think he can see me, and see if he tries to follow me. Because if he does, that means he's just trying to be around me. Maybe I'm his pack or something. Or cats aren't pack animals though. I don't know what cats are. They're sort of, I don't know. Still here. So just let the cat alone for like 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes, more than 5 minutes, and he just hung out in the garage. He's okay. I have an idea now. Anything that's going to require me to jump or leave the ground or clang weights on the ground is probably going to crush this guy. So I think back squats is about as safe as it gets, because it's just a back out of the rack and back in, and the weight isn't going to come off my back unless I go to failure. So I just won't go to failure. What you want to bet, if I frame this clip right, it will perform well on Instagram. So that's my goal today. Let's do this together, man. Give me some views, buddy. Give me some views. Let's make the internet explode with the cuteness. Back squat on the outside of the rack, which is the wrong way to do it, because now I'm going to be walking forward instead of backing out to unrack it, but it's to get out of the rack so that it's better visibility for this video. Just like that. The cat is in view. 405 paw squats with a kitten. Sounds about right. Hello, cat. Meow. Meow. Well, how about that? Not getting in my way anymore, is he? Come here. Come here. Come here. Looks like he's just exploring out there now, so no more video making. For that, I'll just do some squats then. Plan is to replace the beer at night with chocolate protein shakes. So basically I'm going to do bananas, heavy whipping cream, chocolate protein powder, peanut butter. It's kind of like a substitute, a routine habit with another habit. It's a little healthier, right? Eating some clams. If you guys don't know, this is a good brand for canned clams in the US. It's tasty. Sardines. I'm going to be grilling more fish and burgers.
Are you sharing your fish?
Yes, I'm sharing my fish. All right. Burgers. I'm gonna do a little bit of extra back work. I didn't think of this earlier, but trying to work out around the cat that likes to run at your feet, pull-ups. Duh. Why didn't I think of that? If I talked about this in a video already, these type of lifting straps called bar bins, I think they are. And you basically put your hands through them, come around and loop your hand through it, and then there you go. I don't know. I think it's pretty cool for hanging and stuff like that too. He doesn't like it.
14. Yes. Oh, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes.
That bug that was up there, he just fucking took it out, man. Making all the noise. Oh. And I think my burgers are about to burn.
200 pounds.
That's just a full stack.
Full stack is 210.
Oh, Sam.
He's killed today.
Kill count 1. Kill count 1. This cat has killed an annoying bug. Very, very annoying bug. So, thank you. Keep killing.
This bug.